The Trump strategy that is delay, delay, delay in Fulton County, Georgia is working. And even Fani Willis is starting to acknowledge it in this article. So thank you guys for watching. We're going to see how Trump gets the last laugh here. I believe that even if he loses this case, he wins at the election box, and that's his goal. That's what he's trying to protect. That's what the Democrats are trying to stop. Welcome to Doug in Exile. My name is Doug Tenaple. This is where all the happy people are. Let's go. This is the headline. Could Trump spend Election Day 2024 in a courtroom? Fani Willis says trial date may overlap. While I read this article, I want you to think of this. Imagine Trump being in a trial while he's campaigning all the way up to Election Day. Remember, Trump is running against the state, not running against Biden. So this is good for his marketing and his brand and his election. Washington, the Georgia prosecutor who charged Donald Trump with an illegal conspiracy to overturn the 2020 election said Tuesday he faces a trial next fall that could last through Election Day 2024. Remember, every day he's going to come out and meet the press. Free commercial marketing, free campaign marketing. Quote, I believe in that case, there will be a trial. I believe that trial will take many months, and I don't expect that we will conclude until the winter or the very early parts of 2025, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis said. So she believes that the case won't be settled until 2025. So they intend for this to drag on. This is also going to conflict with all of the other indictments of Trump. They're going to all be arguing for court space with this guy. Trump and his attorneys who have accused Willis of political motivations will likely object to a trial during the height of election season. Yeah, that's just a no-brainer. If Willis's suggestion pans out, Trump would find himself in a courtroom during fall campaign against Democrat presidential Joe Biden if he wins the Republican presidential nominee, which is a given. He's going to win that. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee is working out scheduling issues for the complex case that involves the former president and 18 co-defendants. He's already having scheduling issues. He can't get the court time, and he can't get 18 co-defendants to work their schedule out, plus deal with Trump's schedule. So they're trying to gum up his election. He's going to end up gumming up all of their court cases. Quote, Fani Willis, this is Rudy Giuliani's advisor. Quote, Fani Willis's admittance that this case is going to stretch well past the 2024 election just further demonstrates how this entire fraudulent case is part of the Democrat Party and permanent Washington political class's attempt to keep Donald Trump out of the White House in 2024, said his advisor. Now, this is the marketing that Trump is going to be doing. This whole case, and this is something Fani Willis could not see when they first launched it. They couldn't see how this whole thing could backfire on them. This benefits Trump. He's going to be running on this. Every day it's going to be in the news, making his case that this is the state versus Trump on the 2024 ballot. Goodman also noted that Willis is in Washington for a campaign fundraiser to help finance her district attorney's reelection campaign. So even worse now, as she's trying to be reelected, Fani Willis is proving this whole thing is politicized, and she's running on this case. And then Trump is going to use this case to run against the state and win against Biden. I believe Trump's going to win out on this because it'll be easier for him to make his case that the state is after him for political reasons than Fani Willis is that Trump is involved in some kind of a shenanigans, racketeering, insurrection where all the cases are obviously false. Here's Fani Willis. Quote, I don't, when making decisions about cases to bring, consider any election cycle or an election season, unquote, Willis said. I mean, she lied. Quote, that does not go into the calculus. What goes into the calculus is, this is the law. These are the facts, and the facts show you violated the law. Then charges are brought, unquote. No, she missed one part. After 6 years of them having a shot at him, Trump runs for office. Then charges are brought on him. And that's why this thing is political. It's the timing of it. She's lying. Trump is actually telling the truth. This is, if Trump didn't run for office, they never would have brought this case against him. Does this case overall benefit Trump, or overall, will Fani Willis get him? Let him know in the comments below. I'm Doug in Exile.